everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're doing a solo drawing tonight, meaning I'm drawing by myself and no kids, and maybe they're in bed, who knows. So we're going to do another Nintendo old school classic 8-bit grid drawing for a Nintendo character. So what we're going to do is I have taped down this paper, just a white piece of paper, could be printer paper, anything. This is just so that the markers don't bleed on the table below. And then we're going to get some regular old grid paper. As you can see, they make these blocks and these grids. And we're going to tear out a sheet. You can get this grid paper from any art supply store or Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, anywhere. We are going to lay that grid paper down and tape it down so it doesn't move. And if you saw our Mario, classic Mario grid paper drawing, you'll be right in line. This time we're going to get another this is marker paper. This is actually paper that's called marker paper. So this is meant for the markers to go on, and you can actually see the grid through the paper. So the grids are going to be our guidelines, and we're going to tape down our paper so it doesn't move here. Okay. I just like this controller, so check it out. Here we go. We're going to do the Mario star, and you'll need some black, yellow. Let's see if we can do our outline first, which is going to be black. Actually, let's do yellow. Get a light, bright yellow, and here we go. So we can see the grid, the blocks. We're going to count over. Here we go. Let's start in the middle. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay. And then we'll go down 2. Down 2. We'll go over 1. Over 1. And down 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And these are fun. These are easy. And it's cool. It's this old vintage video game that we're doing. We're going to go over 5 on this side. So ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just connect over there. We'll do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And connect. All right, we'll color those in a minute. And we're going to count over 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go down. Go down. Go over. Go over. We're going to start to see this star take shape, right? And we'll go down, down. Over, over, okay. And we're going to, let's see. 1, 2, 3. I think we're doing 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go, let me just check here. Okay, I'm realizing you might not be able to see the yellow show up very well, but we'll color it in here in a second. So we're going to go down 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Actually, we can go down more. We can go down. We go over. Over. Let's see here. Yep. Down 2. Down 2. Over 1. over 1, down 1, 2, down 1, 2, over 1. Okay, come over 2, come over 2, come up, over 2, over 2, come up 1, come up 1. There we go. Alrighty. So we kind of have our yellow shape blocked in, and I'm gonna quickly go through this and color it. So fast forward this part, and we're gonna fill this yellow star in with just the bright yellow. So we'll start over here. We have this one square right here. We're gonna color that in a little. It'll just kind of show a little bit darker. And then go diagonal to this square. Shows a little bit darker there. And go on the diagonal here. These two squares will be colored in as well. And these two over here. Now let's lay down the black, okay? The black outline, this will really set this drawing off. Okay, so on top, we're gonna just follow this. We're gonna go 2 blocks, color those in.